In today's fast-paced academic world, with millions of papers published yearly, researchers face an unprecedented challenge: information overload.
But what if AI could be your lifeline in this sea of knowledge? Introducing Paper AI, powered by Watson. Our team, Ibrahim and Wei, have created a revolutionary tool to transform how research is conducted.
Three main observations inspired the creation of Paper AI. Firstly, the time-consuming literature reviews in light of the growing volume of research papers. Secondly, traditional research methods are challenging to discover relevant connections. Lastly, the current research practices lack effective tools for real-time collaboration.
Here we bring to you Paper AI. Paper AI envisions to serve as your AI-powered research assistant, providing you with effortless citation and review, and it empowers you with the real-time collaborative function.
This is our Paper AI architecture. Feel free to pause and view accordingly. Let's see how Paper AI works.
End the era of lone geniuses. Join the AI-powered research renaissance.
Thank you for watching, and the presentation deck can be found in the description box below. Please connect with us and share your thoughts with us.